channel. So this is going to be part 2 of my Christmas takedown. So part 1, I took down all of my Christmas decor, and part 2, I am going to be cleaning my house. So it was going to be a pretty lengthy video if I did this all in one, so I decided to split it up for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that, but if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, you are in the right place. This is going to be all cleaning motivation today in this video. So I have stuff everywhere from Christmas, there's toys in every room and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle this, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so the first room that I decided to tackle was the living room. So it was filled with lots of toys and puzzles, as you can see, all from Christmas Day, and we just needed to clear this space up. And thankfully, Jack was actually pretty eager to help this day. I don't know if you noticed in part 1, but he was even helping me take down the tree, which is super cute. So anyway, we just went ahead and picked up his toys, and like I said, just placed them back into his room into the proper place. Next thing that needed taken care of was the hall tree. So this area is kind of just a catch-all for us. There was lots of coats and shoes and bags and things of that sort, along with a few other random things that needed picked up from Christmas Day as well that I just hadn't put back in their original place. I feel like when the holidays are going on, I get just so unorganized because it's always just hustle and bustle and on the go, which is fine. But then once it's all settled and it's kind of back to normalcy, I guess, I realize things that are they're just everywhere in my house, and I don't even know how they get there. But after Christmas is always the time to just go ahead and finish decluttering and organizing and putting all of those things back in the proper home. Once everything is put back to where it needed to be, I went ahead and dusted everything off, and I'm just using my natural route cleaner. So if you guys didn't know, I do have a small business. Currently it is just local and I just sell locally, but I am hoping to start shipping eventually, so I'll keep you guys updated on that if you ever want to try out my products and I do start shipping. I really enjoy these products, and so far it's been pretty successful. So like I said, if I ever start shipping, I will definitely let you guys know. Alright, you guys, so current situation. Tree is down. We got the ladder back over there, our snake plant back over there, all of the throw pillows that were Christmas and the blankets and whatnot, those are gone. Everything has been dusted in here. There was just a lot. Jack had his toys everywhere, but for right now, everything is good to go. I just have to vacuum and sweep the floors later, but I'm gonna do that once the whole house is clean. So for now, the living room is back in order. Okay, moving on into the dining room. So the next thing that needed done was folding some laundry. So I had a couple loads done this day, and I just went ahead and folded that. That way I can put it away. And typically whenever I do my laundry, I now have 3 laundry piles. So I have one for each of the boys, and then I have one for John and I as well. And it just makes it easier when it is time to put that all away and hang it up. Okay, and the last but not least is the kitchen. So I needed to go ahead and again put all of these things away. I also had some dishes to do and a little bit of redecorating, nothing too crazy. You guys will see here in just a few minutes. But the kitchen is always a room that I feel like has to be clean at all times if it is not in use. If my kitchen isn't clean, I feel like the rest of my house feels dirty. I know that's not true, but that's just what it seems like. It seems like the kitchen is kind of the heart of the home, if you will, in my house anyway. And if it's not taken care of, then the rest just feels out of place. This is the decorating that I was talking about. I know it's nothing major, but we do have this towel rack on the side of the cabinets, and I like to keep something there, so I decided to put up a hand towel and this cute little wooden hanging sign. It says "Keep Life Simple." A friend actually gave that to me for Christmas, and I love it because you guys know I'm all about simplicity, and I think that sign is super fitting. So the dish soap that I'm using here is actually the Everspring brand from Target. I really like it. This is the balsam and black pepper scent. It seems a little strange, I know, but believe me, it smells really good. So it's seasonal, so if you guys want to try it out, you might want to check it out at Target now to see if they still have it. Otherwise, they probably won't have it on hand very much longer. But I have tried a couple other scents as well, and I like those too. So if you haven't tried the Everspring brand, go ahead and check it out. You guys know once I start cleaning my floors, that means we are on the home stretch of this cleaning portion. So I always save the floors for last because I feel like when you're dusting and cleaning everything else off, it's just going to end up on the floor anyway. So why not save the floor for last, just to save yourself from a headache and having to redo it later. right, you guys, and there you have it, a nice clean slate. So all of the Christmas decor is put away, the tree has been taken down, and everything else that was scattered all throughout my home is put back in its proper place. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Go ahead and check out part 1. I will have that video linked down below for you guys, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. I do have lots of decluttering and organizing coming your way, so be sure and stay tuned for those next videos coming up. But thank you guys so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.